Rhonda said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I love having you here with me today. I'm so glad that you could make it. I hope you had a great weekend or a great day yesterday. I'm not sure when this video is going up, but I hope you've been having a great week. That's what I'll say. Yeah, I'm still missing the tooth. I'm in the process of getting partials made for my tooth, and it's a long process. And I did have like a little fake tooth to wear for a while, but we are in the middle of doing a crown and I'm waiting for my permanent crown to come. And it doesn't fit my little gap tooth thing. So I appreciate you not being discouraged that I happen to have a missing tooth. I haven't talked about it in a while, but hopefully before the summer's over, I'll have a full set of teeth in my mouth. And some more beautiful makeup on my face and some more things to unbox. So I hope you're having a great day, like I said. And today we are going to be Stash or Pass Jeffree Star's Wedding Palette. I love this palette. I'm probably, you know, should I stay or should I go is what it's called. And it's just beautiful. I just love it. It makes such gorgeous looks. So I'm probably gonna keep it. I'm just being honest. Like this and Cremated are my favorite Jeffree Star palettes, like of all time. Like if I had to get rid of the rest of them, I'd want to keep these two for sure. Because I mean, I just recently have been getting back into neutrals, and this is just beautiful. The shimmers, I mean, I think this is an idiot color here, this hot pink. It doesn't make a lick of sense, but everything else it's a perfect palette. And it's even got the grays in it. So if I really had to if I could only choose one palette, maybe it'd be this, because it still has the grays in it. So I don't know. I really, of the Jeffree Star palettes, of course, because I have so many other favorite palettes. So let's go on and make a nice neutral look with this palette. I'm going to start off with Seating Chart. It's kind of a yellowy base, but it's matte. I'm not mad at it. It's got a little kick up in the pan. But I think this and Lunar Beauty's Prism Nude Prism are like just perfect palettes. Seriously, I use it all the time. I haven't been using this one, but I'm dusting it off. Literally dusting it off. And I'm going to go into Wedding Rings here with a soft, fluffy brush. And put that in my crease and on my lid. It's just beautiful. Just so natural and neutral. This is so fun to make a neutral look. Boop, 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 boop. My hair's growing out. I'm getting it cut this week to get it in shape to grow out so it'll have a shape. Because this bob was fun for a minute, but that time is over. I'm going to go into Bound Together, this rich chocolate shimmer on this angled brush. That's beautiful. It's going on, it's a shimmer, but it's going on really soft because the brush is soft and fluffy. Looks like I need to beef it up on this side. It's a little high on this side. Just gonna kind of blend that down. Going back into our first color. I just soften that up. I'm going to soften this up over here too. That's really pretty. And I think I'm going to be a little daring and go into polyamorous here. It really goes with my hair. I'll put that on with my finger so it goes on nice and dark. Let me grab a tissue. Polyamorous again with my fingertip. That looks nice. That looks super nice. Now I'm going to go into Cut the Cake, which is a very fragile white shimmer here. It's a little chunky. Look how chunky it is. Woo! That really brightened up that inner corner though. I got a little bit of that under the eye. It's really picking up something I don't want picked up, like my eye bag. Let's see if I can't control that with a little cotton swab. That's much better. But that's a beautiful look. This palette's so heavy. It's full of luxury. So let's do some eyeliner. Don't want a bronze eyeliner. We will use the House Labs. This one is really gonna die one day. But for now, it's working. I've got a bit of dust of shadow on my nose. So with hooded eyes, it takes practice to get like a little wing look, especially when you have older eyes. But it can be done. And that was super easy peasy. Easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. Maybe not. But I am going to use Maybelline Sky High Mascara. It is a great drugstore mascara. I alternate this with my Lancome. It's that good. And I've had this mascara for a while. And it was wet, really wet at first, but it dried out nicely. It's not dry per se, but it's more manageable now that it's been open for a while. And as you know, you're supposed to change your mascaras out every 3 months. I don't do that. I go until it won't go no mo. Well, that feels really pretty. Sexy American Girlfriend. Did you guys see 16 Candles? Like 100 years ago. I'm going to use number 115. I can't read. I use this color all the time because it goes with my hair. Founder. I believe it's a special shade, but it's Maybelline Matte Super Stay Ink, and it's just like one of my favorite colors. All right. It looks really pretty. And I feel gorgeous and glamorous. So should I stay or should I go? This is totally staying. As I told you from the top, I love this palette. And I feel very pretty and glamorous. And I hope that you have a great day or day of your choice. And we'll see you real soon.